Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a Blizzard showcase for you guys. Okay, I'm going to have 2,450 stats in Blox Fruit, so it'll have the exact damage. I have only 248 mastery on Blizzard, so I'm going to get 250 right now. Fast forward, boy! Cue the speedrun music, boy! Okay, did I scare you guys? My bad. Okay, I got 250 mastery on Blizzard now. Okay, now I'm gonna do the thing. Snowflake Shuriken, Z-move, attack! 3,237 damage. Okay. Let's go into a different target. Help! Okay, never mind. Okay, now we found this dude. Wide out. X move. Attack! Okay. 4,316 damage. Okay, Howling Wind. C move. Attack! Oops, I missed my attack. Ah! Please, help me. Okay. Now we are safe from those scary... Okay, that guy. Wait for the cooldown. Howling Wind, C-move, attack! Okay, the damage is coming. 3,237... Hey! Okay, now that we've done Howling Wind and we're out of that mess, let's do Blizzard Domain. V-move! 250 mastery attack. Yo, this is OP, bruh. Yo, 2,006, 30,000, 40,000. Okay, I died. 48,000 damage from Blizzard Domain. That is OP. Okay, well, I guess that's it for the video, guys. See ya. Peace. The end.